JONDAENMAL. Again, JONDAENMAL. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn JONDAENMAL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 369. JONDAENMAL. Again, JONDAENMAL. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is jon, second syllable is den, and third syllable is mal. Pronounce it with me. JONDAENMAL. JONDAENMAL. The word JONDAENMAL means formal speech. So if you remember, we tackled banmal, which is informal speech, and this time we are studying JONDAENMAL, which means formal speech. Again, JONDAENMAL is the opposite of banmal, and it means formal speech. How do you write JONDAENMAL in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable jon, we need to draw first a jiot character, followed by an o character, followed by a neon character. For the second syllable den, we need to draw first a dikit character, followed by an e character, followed by a siot character. And for the last syllable mal, we need to draw first a miyum character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. And if you'd notice, even though the ending of the second syllable is a siot character, it is pronounced as den instead of des. Because of a rule in Korean language wherein if a siot character is followed by a miyum character, it becomes a neon sound. And with that, you've just learned JONDAENMAL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 359 to 368. But don't forget our word for today, word number 369, JONDAENMAL, which means formal speech. The first word for our review is word number 368. It's tano, which means individual word. Next word for our review is byungwon, which means hospital. Next word is 똑같은, which means same. Next word is 피, which means blood. Next word is banmal, which means informal speech. Next word is 미치다, which means to go crazy. Next word is 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. And the last word for our review is word number 359, 가장, which means most. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.